Ally Major Guard features, strengths, weaknesses. Ally Major Guard is a supplemental insurance plan designed to help cover out-of-pocket medical expenses not covered by your primary health insurance. Key features include coverage for deductibles, copayments, coinsurance, and in some cases, specific medical events like hospitalizations or surgeries. Several plan options offer varying levels of coverage to suit individual needs and budgets, and it typically requires no medical exam for enrollment, simplifying the application process. Major Guard is primarily aimed at individuals and families with high-deductible health plans, those concerned about unpredictable medical costs, or anyone seeking financial protection against significant healthcare expenses. A major strength lies in its ability to reduce financial risk associated with healthcare, providing peace of mind knowing unexpected medical bills won't devastate your budget. It offers customizable coverage levels, allowing you to tailor the plan to your specific needs and risk tolerance. And it can potentially lead to significant savings if you incur substantial medical expenses within a policy year. However, weaknesses include the fact that it's a supplemental plan, meaning it doesn't replace primary health insurance. It adds another monthly premium to your budget, increasing your overall insurance costs. And the coverage limitations vary depending on the plan option chosen, so understanding the details is crucial to avoid surprises. Furthermore, benefits may not kick in until after your primary insurance has paid its share, meaning you're still responsible for meeting your primary plan's deductible and coinsurance before Major Guard benefits activate. Carefully evaluate the potential savings against the cost of the premium, and consider your individual risk tolerance and medical spending habits when determining if it's right for you. In conclusion, Ally Major Guard can be a valuable tool for managing healthcare expenses and reducing financial risk, especially for those with high-deductible plans or concerns about large, unexpected medical bills. Just ensure you fully understand the coverage details, limitations, and costs before making a decision to make sure it will actually add value for you.